What's up, guys? Come on up here, Tay Tay. So, we have to get to San Antonio. I don't have long to explain at all, but basically we got to get there like as soon as possible so that we can go to Battle at the Alamo. It's literally been a year since the last Battle at the Alamo video, and last year was awesome, so we can't wait. I hope to see you there. Let's go ahead and get rolling.
His truck real, I'm gonna tell you that. Let me say it one more time. His truck's real, I'm gonna tell you that.
Yeah, we got Battle at the Alamo. We're about to win it, and yeah, it's about to get lit. So, got the pillow, yeah, because that's pretty important. Got my pillow and my blanket. Say bye to Tay Tay because she's unable to come with us this show. So unfortunately, she'll be watching our live streams on Instagram with her phone here. Tay Tay, say bye. You just gonna chill there? Alright, just wait till I come back. Let me know down in the comments if you're planning on going to Battle at the Alamo. It seems like every time I go to a show that it's always raining or some like super windy. Hey, this year we didn't bring a tent because I'm not even dealing with that again. The tent literally flew all over the place and like, I don't know, probably hit like $100,000 truck. Foley's got him. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already, and click that bell button to be notified every time we drop a bomb video. Check out our Instagram page at iron_giant with 2 T's, and don't forget the extra T. Did you hear those train horns? Woo! Okay, so we're at the Airbnb now, and look how freaking, are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Let's just try not to take out the whole house, you know? Okay, look how this is not gonna work. Look, 5'6", right here, and that's basically me. Okay, I'm 5'6", if you didn't know. So yeah, the top of the bed of my truck is not even 5'6", and I even aired it all the way down, and it still doesn't even meet the height requirement. So we're gonna have to park it like over there or something. So hope we're at the right place, because wouldn't that be some crazy stuff if we like walked on in there and there was like a whole family like eating, and they're just like, hello. We're here in San Antonio, Texas, and well, I mean, the Airbnb looks pretty. Oh no, oh no, look at this. What we don't oh man, oh man. Well, guess what? We about to turn on every single light that we can freaking find. It was a good drive. Obviously, we hope that whoever's car burned up, that they're okay. But it was an SUV, and well, just, you know, now you just gotta buy a truck and start building it. So what? Look at that. We got a whole bunch of unloading to do, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on that. Peace out, and we'll see you in the morning. Just gave the truck a little bath real quick, drinking coffee. I mean, it's a good morning. Sun's not out yet. It's a little cloudy and a little humid, but I guess that's what you get for coming down south. But hey, truck's looking nice. It's all clean. Well, we'll see you guys here soon. Here we are at about the Alamo, the showgrounds, and there is a lot of freaking artwork here. Like, you guys are gonna get to see. This is pretty cool. MG1 Photography. What's up?
Can't keep up with you, man.
I know.
What's up?
Golly.
Finally San Antonio again, huh?
Seriously. It's been a minute. You're a busy man. For real.
Man, I'm all over the place.
I know. Yeah. Models of Texas, everything.
Between Models of Texas, shout out. Trucks, cars, shows, you know, it's just meetups.
Yep.
It's just everything, man.
Everybody's gonna come in right there. You're gonna see the builds over here. Last year was a hit, and honestly it was great. It was great, super fun. There's a bunch of different builds, cars, you know, trucks, bikes, I mean literally everything. Shoot, even golf carts. There was a huge lifted golf cart too. So but we're excited to see what everybody's been working on this year. So without further ado, let's kind of look around the area. What are you looking forward to most for Battle at the Alamo 2022?
Winning an award. That's the thing. I want an award.
There we go. Were you here last year?
I was here last year. It was
awesome.
Cold, freezing.
Oh, I know.
But I didn't have the wrap. I didn't have the wheels I have now.
What are you looking forward to most for Battle at the Alamo this year?
Honestly, everybody's new builds.
What are y'all looking forward to most for Battle at the Alamo 2022?
See how it does it with dyno.
Blow it up or what?
Might have to. Gotta break 1,000.
Oh shoot.
I'm ready to see what the truck community is like nowadays.
I'm trying to see somebody blow something up today.
What are you looking forward to most for Battle at the Alamo 2022?
What kind of question is that, man?
What are you excited for Battle at the Alamo 2022?
You know, take home the biggest award. You know.
I think it's gonna be a good show. Location's a little different.
Yeah.
What I do think is it's gonna be packed. It's gonna be a packed show. It's gonna be a packed house. It's gonna be just as lit as Atlanta Truck Invasion with Team Billet and everybody.
This is my first time down here. I just want to check it out and see what it's all about.
Awesome.
And see what everybody's got to offer out here. And just have a good time.
Definitely. There's some nice builds everybody's been working on for the year or so.
Yeah. I mean, people put blood, sweat, and tears with these vehicles out here. So, you know,
yeah.
I'm ready to see what it's all about.
Oh yeah.
Pop my cherry, like they say, I'm first timer.
What are y'all looking forward to most for Battle at the Alamo 2022?
Burnout pit.
Burnout
For
pit?
sure.
Burnout pet, 100%.
Guaranteed.
Everybody's Burnout pit and Dino.
Oh, Dino too.
I didn't know about the Dino.
Hey.
Yeah, I might change my vote to Dino.
I might even
Yeah.
get up on there. I already blew myself up, so.
All right, so what are you looking forward to most for Battle at the Alamo? Oh, well, no, he doesn't want to talk. What are y'all looking forward to most for Battle at the Alamo this year?
Ghetto fogging trucks on the dyno and blowing them up.
Trophies
He's
or
gonna
what?
pay for a billet block, actually. Yeah, for my OnlyFans.
Oh, okay. There, subscribe to his OnlyFans.
Yeah,
Look
feet
at that.
pics, $10. Let's go.
What I would do for you.
What are you excited for Battle 2022?
See the new builds, new location for beta. So everybody seems pretty excited about the new location.
Alright guys, well, day one is pretty much wrapped up. We got about 30 minutes left of the show, and I have met a whole bunch of cool people, have already seen the cool builds, some of them, because some aren't even showing up until day two. We want to meet you and come check out not only the Iron Giant build, but all these other really cool builds too. I would like to say that, well, Battle at the Alamo 2022 is looking great, and I think it would look a whole lot better if you were here. So go ahead and grab your family, grab your snacks and everything, and come on out here, because this is definitely a show you want to be at, especially if you are in San Antonio, Texas, or around San Antonio, Texas. You definitely want to be here. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and push that bell button to be notified every time a bomb video drops, but more importantly for part 2, because we've got show day tomorrow. So yeah, get some sleep.